Hi there, Dr. Ashish Patel to talk to you today about bruxism. This is a word that typically describes the grinding or the gnawing of teeth that can sometimes wear away the enamel or the outer surface of the tooth. Many people, actually about 75% of the people that grind their teeth, don't know that they grind their teeth. And so it's just through photographs and digital photographs that we take in our office that we're able to show a patient that, hey, yeah, you're actually losing tooth structure. So wearing a night guard or something that protects your teeth against bruxism is a way that we can actually save money because we're not fixing broken teeth. So bruxism is something that we can preventatively protect the teeth with, typically by wearing a night guard. So if you're interested in learning more about bruxism or want to see if you're a bruxer, give our office a call. We'd love to see you at our office.